Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we will discuss exercise 1.5 and question number 4, 5, 6, 7. In the previous video we will discuss 1, 2, 3 and you can check out this video. So let us start with question number 4. So in question number 4, if U universal shade is given 1 to 9 and A is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is given 2, 3, 5, 7, verify that this one you have to verify. Can you see? Can you tell me what is these two equation is called? This equation is called De Morgan's laws. So in properties of complement of a set, we learn De Morgan's law, and now you have to verify this equation. So to verify this equation, we have to basically do LHS equals to RHS. If we can prove LHS equals to RHS, we can easily say this equation is verified. So in equation number 1, LHS is what? A union B whole complement. So now first find out A union B. A union B. So A union B is what? We have to find the elements of A and B in a set. So A is what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and B 2, 3, 5, 7. So first write down the elements of A 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now you have to see which is the common element in both the set. 2 is common and 3 is not, 5 is not, 7. So 3, 5, 7. This is the in A union B. So now A union B complement. So means you have to subtract you have to subtract A union B from U universal shade. Sorry, this is union A union B. So means you have to subtract all the element of A union B from universal shade. So means 2 should be removed. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 3, 5, 7. So it is remaining 1, 9. 1, 9. Clear? So this is A union, value of A union B complement. So now RHS is what? A intersection B complement. So first you have to find out A intersection B. Mean common elements of A and B. So what is the common element? 2. So here 2 is common. So means element. So 2 is the element of A intersection B. So now A intersection B. Sorry, A. Sorry. So now in RHS we have A complement intersection B complement. So A complement is what? U minus A. So A complement is what? U minus A. And B complement is what? U minus B. So U minus A means you have to subtract all the element of A from U. So means 2, 4, 6, 8 you have to subtract. So means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the element of A. Intersection B complement. So means we have to subtract all the element of B from U. So means 1, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4, 5 is here, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 9. Now you have to take common between this set and this set. So 1 is common. So 1 common, 4 is not common. Okay, 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is not, 9 is common. Yes. So means we will get 1, 9. So this is the intersection of A complement and B complement. So see the result of LHS and RHS is equal to each other. So means LHS equals to RHS, and we can say it is verified. Okay, this is verified. Now 2. So A intersection B. First we have to complement. So LHS, in LHS A intersection B. Okay, so what is A intersection B? Means common element of A and B. So 2 is common. Yes. So 2 is common. So now you have to find A intersection B complement. Means U minus A intersection B. So means you have to subtract the value of A intersection B. Means 2 basically. Means we will get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the value of A intersection B complement. Now RHS. RHS. So in RHS is what? A complement union B complement. So A complement union B complement. So A complement is what? So value of A complement. So means U minus A means the element of A should be subtracted from U. So means 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Union B complement. So means 2, 3, 5. So element of B are 2, 3, 5, 7. We have to subtract from that. So 1, 4, 6, 8. Yes. Okay. So means union. So we'll write 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So excluding 2, all the elements present. Here also excluding 2, all the elements are present. So means LHS equal to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. It is verified. It is what? Verified. Clear? So means both the equation is verified here. Next. So question number. Next we will discuss question number 5. So draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following A union B complement. So so there is 4 questions. So for 4 questions you have to draw 4 Venn diagram. So A union B complement. So for Venn diagram we have to draw a rectangle first. So rectangle represent what? Rectangle represent universal set. Universal set. And draw A is another set and B is another set. This is A and this is B. Okay. A union B. A union B means what? The whole set. This is whole set. And complement means we have to subtract these whole set from U, means we will get this portion. Okay, so in that way you can draw. So the dotted line is representing what? The required portion of the set. We have to remove this portion, A union B. Okay, next number 2. A complement intersection B complement. So first we have to draw a rectangle to show a universal set. So A complement. So next we will draw another A and B. So this is suppose A and this is B. So A union B. So you can write outside also. You can write outside also, like this. So like this is A and this is B. Okay. So now A complement is what? Rather than so removing A will get the entire portion A complement, and B complement means removing B will get the entire portion, means, and they are common, means if you find out A complement you will get this outside side portion and this one. If you find B complement, this portion, this portion, this portion, and the outside portion. And then you have to find common. So common is what? This portion common. Yes or no? This is the common portion. Okay. Next, third one. A intersection B complement. So first we have to draw a rectangle for U, A and B. This is A and this is B. Okay. Next, A intersection B means this is the A intersection B, this portion. Okay. And B is what? And and their complement means this portion. Okay, so if we erase this portion, so we'll get the required. So this is our portion, and yes, so this is the removing portion. This is okay. Now 4. So A complement union B complement. Okay, so universal set rectangular. This is U. Okay, now A set and B set. So A complement means what? A complement means the whole set. It should be removed and the entire portion. B complement means what? These whole set should be removed and entire portion. Their union means what? Their union means this portion. Except this one we have to draw. Okay. So this is the required diagram for each question. Next, 6 number. Let U be the set of all triangle in a plane. If A is the set of all rectangle with at least one angle different from 60, what is A complement? So let us understand again. Let U be the set of all triangle in a plane. All triangle in the plane. Okay. If A is the set of all triangle with at least one angle different from 60. With at least one angle different from 60. So let us write down the angle, the set A. So X, such that X is a set of all element of set of all triangles. Sorry, set of all triangles with at least one angle different at least one from 60. So this is a set A, and you have to find out complement of A. So let us understand here. So suppose a triangle with at least 160 and different angles should be what? 50, 70. Suppose this is 60, it should be 80, 40, like this. So these are the all triangle who satisfy these properties. Set of all triangle with at least one different from 60 degree. But if I say 60, 60, 60, 3 angles are 60. So this is not satisfying this statement. X is a triangle at least one angle or different from 60. 60 से different होना चाहिए. But here 3 all of the angles are 60. This is different from this statement. And all angles 60 means what? All angles 60 means what? A triangle having all the angles 60 means this is the equilateral triangle. So means the result would be X such that X is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Done. So X says that X is a equilateral triangle. This is the answer of A complement. Clear? Next, question number 7. Question number 7. So fill in the blanks. We need to make each of the following true statement. Okay. So first question, A union A complement. So we know in the properties of complement of triangle, A union A complement. So if I see it in a Venn diagram, A, suppose A, this is A complement means what? The outer portion of A, this is A complement, and this is what? A. So if you find union, so what will get? The whole set U. So we will get what? U. Next, 2. Phi dashed union intersection A. The phi complement, phi dashed means what? This is universal set, and phi means empty set. So complement of U means U minus phi means U. U minus phi means what? U. So U intersection A. Suppose this is A, this is A, and this is U. So if you find the intersection portion, so we'll get what? A. So means we'll get A. Now 3. So A intersection A complement. Okay. So this is A and this is A complement. This is different. There is no common portion. Means we will get what? Phi. Next, U complement intersection A. U complement means this is U. This is what? U. And U complement means phi. U minus U and phi means phi. So phi intersection A. E complement means what? Phi. So phi intersection A means what? Phi intersection A means what? If you take common phi empty set and A set, means you will get empty. Nothing will be common here. So means what? Phi is a answer. Clear? So I hope you can understand all the questions you have understood. So we can repeat this video 2-3 times minimum, max to max, then you can understand easily. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Keep revising, keep repeating, and keep learning. Tada.